sitting quiet in the haze. Clouds are trading secrets with the bay. Tin roofs shimmer silver in the light. Boats are rocking gentle, holding tight.
Snug Cove breeze in rhythm with the swell. Ropes are creaking, stories they won't tell. Fishermen are tying off their line. Town clock silent, but it's keeping time.
At the edge of the blue, where the sea holds the sky, and the wind brings a truth you can't deny. Where the gulls ride low and the hills fade through, we are here, we are still at the edge of the blue. Cocora Point is catching midday sun. White fence shadow dancing as it runs. Down by the pines there's laughter in the park. Children chasing seagulls through the bark.
Aslings Beach is stretched in silver lines, broken only where the water shines. Driftwood speaking softly on the sand, of ships and ghosts and things we understand.
At the edge of the blue, where the sea holds the sky, and the clouds drift slow like a lullaby. Where the tide rolls in and the salt feels true, we are here, we are still at the edge of the blue. There's work to be done, but not right now.
Let the day be what it is.
Just light, just brave, just sea, just town. Dog is barking somewhere down the lane. A kettle's whistling soft behind the pane. The world's still turning like it always will, but Eden in this moment just stands still. At the edge of the blue, where the heart meets the tide, and the past rolls out with the morning's pride. Where the truth runs deep and the silence grew, we are held, we are home at the edge of the blue.